If you want to retire with $10,000 a month, there is two ways that you could do that. Number one is to save up for the next 30 or 40 years, save up $3 million in your bank account, and then hopefully you can get an interest rate on that for 4%, which is about $120,000 a year, which gets you $10,000 a month. Or the other way is that you can buy 20 or 30 units in your next 3 to 5 years, and you don't need $3 million to do that because you can finance most of it. And then with that, you should probably be getting some sort of a cash flow that comes out to about $10,000 a month. And over time, that actual revenue is gonna multiply. Your rent is gonna go up. You're gonna build equity in that house. And that $3 million worth of real estate investment will probably more than double over the next 30 years. And your cash flow will probably more than double over the next 30 or 40 years. A lot of people get so fixated on those 401k plans or pension plans that pay very little or very minimal and think that they can make or retire right off of that. And the reality is nobody knows where the pension plans are going to be. Nobody knows where Social Security is going to be when we retire. Actually, there's no guarantees on anything, but we know for a fact that real estate goes up over time. So try to get real estate versus try to save up for a retirement the traditional way.